This video shows you how to perform a simple and advanced search using OneSearch. Performing a simple search with OneSearch is easy and straightforward. All you do is enter your search term or phrase in the single search box on the SJSU library homepage and click on the magnifier icon. This is considered a keyword search. A keyword search means that all fields in the catalog record will be searched for the term or phrase you entered. Using the tabs at the top of the single search box, you can restrict the types of materials searched. If you're only looking for journals, then you select the Journals tab and enter your search terms or phrase. When a search term or phrase is typed in the single box search, the collection options are displayed below. The default collection is SJSU, but you can choose to search the CSU Plus collections or articles. Let's do a keyword search for information literacy in the SJSU collections. This search returned over 900,000 results and includes books, articles, audiovisual, CD-ROM, DVD-ROMs, etc. Probably more resources than you're really looking for. But this gives you an idea of what a keyword search will do. Now let's do the same search using Advanced Search feature and narrow some of the criteria to get a more useful result. I'll click on Advanced Search, and the Advanced Search dialog is displayed here. So again, we have the same collection options. I'm going to leave it at San Jose State. And then we have this middle section that actually allows for a narrowing of the material types, which would be books, articles, CD-ROM, etc., publication date, and then these field options. So right now, as this stands, this is still a keyword search because information literacy will be looked for in any field. But let's say that I wanted to only search titles that contain information literacy. If I wanted to exclude or say starts with, I could use that option, which means that all the titles that would be eligible for a result return would have to start with information literacy. I'm going to put this back to contains. Then I can add a restriction on the material type. So I'm just looking for books. And then here I can add additional field criteria. In this case, I'm going to say not, and I'm going to say subject that contains education. You'll see down here that as you begin to type in criteria, OneSearch builds your total search criteria. So at this point, I have title that contains information literacy, and subjects do not contain education. I can add additional lines if I have more search criteria, but in this case, I'm happy with this particular search criteria, so I'm going to click on Search. You'll see that by adding these additional criteria that my search results have now narrowed down to 547. A much more manageable result for my research. If you have questions or want more information about OneSearch, refer to the quick reference guide.